Hey guys, today I want to kind of show you how to do exploded views. I know in a lot of the presentations that we've done, there have been examples of exploded views. This is the best way I've seen and figured out, though I'm sure there are other ways. So to begin, what you want to do is you want to come over here to your 3D views, right click on it. Actually, click on the 3D view, and then you want to duplicate view, and just duplicate, not with detailing. And then when you do that, you want to rename it to whatever you want. I'm going to name mine Exploded View. Okay. So in your Exploded View, what you want to do is you want to click on whatever you're going to expand first. I've seen a lot of different ways to do it, but the best way that I've actually seen is to do it by floors. So you have your first floor, and then exploded above that you have your second floor, and then your third floor and roof, or however. So this is just a simple little house that I made for this project. So you want to come up here to this Displace Elements tab. And you click on that, and it'll give you these arrows. So green is to move it, I guess, front and back. If you look over here at your cube, green is moving it from the front to back. Your red arrow is going to be moving it from the right to left, and then your blue arrow is going to move it from top to bottom. So if you come over here to properties, you have X displacement, Y displacement, and Z displacement, which is these arrows. So we want to go up with ours. So we'll click and drag this up, and you can see that our Z displacement is at 48 feet, 4 inches, and 39, whatever. So if you want to, you can leave it at that. Or you can actually come in here and let's say 50 even, and that'll actually pop it up to 50. And so with this, you can actually click edit, and it'll turn green, and it'll give you this box. A lot of the time the box will end up here, or sometimes over here, so just kind of look around for it, and you can leave it up there if you want. I like to drag mine down here so it's easier to play with. You have add and remove. So with add, you can click on any part of your structure, and it will pop it up to the previous. So we move the roof first, so it'll pop it up to the roof. And so if you make a mistake and actually accidentally click the wrong one, you can click minus, and it'll remove it again. But for me, I like to, like that. So for me, I like to be able to see a lot of the rooms that are done. And so for this, I'm going to click finish. And so now I have my roof section, my second floor, and then my first floor, which is still hidden. And so I'm actually going to increase this to, let's say, 75. That way we can move this up just a little bit more. So again, you want to click on, and I could click on any one of these. I'm going to click on that one. And click on your Displace Elements tab. And then drag it up. And let's put it right at 36. So now we can click on this as it's highlighted, click edit, and again you have the same setup. So now you can click individual walls, and I'm going to bring the roof and the floor up, and then finish. So now I have my roof section, which is just hollow, and then I have this section, my second floor, with my lower roof. And then I have my bottom floor. And then at this point, if you wanted to, you can click on these two, and then on your keyboard type HH, and that will hide it. It's a temporary hide, as you can see, and that way you can see, more of your building, especially if you had furniture or some sort of elements inside of a room that you kind of wanted to show off, whether it be a statue, staircase like this in the back. So if I wanted to, I can click on these two as well. Okay. And then hide that. So now you can see that staircase, but I don't really want to do that. And to reveal it again, so to unhide those, you click HR on your keyboard and it'll bring it back. So I'm going to go ahead and do this again and hide that. And that's basically a quick basic tutorial of how you can create an exploded view. So as you're going about your different projects and stuff, if you ever need to get a different perspective on it like this, this is a great way. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching.